Bitcoin holds firm over $16,000 after tracking stocks upward. Singapore bank DBS completes fixed income trade on JPMorgan's blockchain network Onyx. New York Governor Hochul signs moratorium on proof-of-work mining. El Salvador seeks lawmakers' approval to raise $1 billion Bitcoin bond. NFT and Metaverse trademark filings more than double. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets mustered support from slew of positive news that helped Bitcoin reclaim $16,000 levels after having hit two-year low in the previous session. Investors' sentiments were buoyed by Genesis denying rumors regarding its demise. In fact, the company denied the news and were hopeful of weathering the liquidity crisis. Vishakha Thakur joins us to explain how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Vishakha.
Cryptocurrency markets mustered support from slew of positive news that helped Bitcoin reclaim $16,000 levels. The coin hit two-year low in the previous session. Investor sentiments were buoyed by Genesis denying rumors regarding its demise. In fact, the company denied the news and was hopeful of weathering the liquidity crisis. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 7% at 24,600 points. Further, crypto investor sentiment improved on positive news of FTX cash reserves and market interest in FTX assets, which eased the rising FTX contagion fears and anxiety, analysts believe. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading higher around $826 billion, rising as much as 6% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume dropped almost 5% to $64 billion. However, in another news, Argentina's fan token plummets 31% after World Cup loss against Saudi Arabia. As a result, Saudi Arabia-themed NFT collection called the Saudis gained 387% following the country's surprise win against Argentina. On Monday, markets seemed preparing for another trading or crypto lending firm filing for bankruptcy. Earlier this month, the markets were pressured by the collapse of the world's third largest exchange platform, FTX. Some industry leaders have claimed that the FTX collapse set the industry back by a few years. Binance CEO CZ believes the crypto market will recover quickly and become even stronger. He has announced an industry recovery fund to help projects facing liquidity issues. While not enough details are revealed about the fund, CZ confirmed that more information will be revealed this month. However, the US dollar remained steady as investors mitigated their risk appetites ahead of the release of minutes of the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. In recent days, crypto assets have largely declined due to the fear of contagion from FTX. To avoid being impacted by the financial turmoil, investors have moved their digital currency funds into fiat currencies. US stock futures were marginally higher as investors looked forward to Federal Reserve meeting minutes regarding pace of future interest rate hikes. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures gained 36 points. S&P 500 futures were marginally higher while Nasdaq 100 futures rose 0.08%. So Bitcoin was trading at $16,550, up by 5.3%. Bitcoin was trading higher on the back of value buying. It was also noted that Cathie Wood's ARK Innovation ETF bought 450,000 shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, according to data by Bloomberg. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 7.2%, trading at $1,165. On my left, BNB was up 16.2% to trade at $295. Next on the list, Polygon Matic was trading up by 2% to trade at $0.82. Solana Sol was up 16.5% and was trading at $13. Next on the list, Cardano's ADA token was up by 4.8% to trade at $0.31. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 10.6% at $0.081. Shiba Inu was trading up by 9.2%, and Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.8, higher 10%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.37, up by 4.5%. Next on the list, Polkadot was up by 7.5% to trade at $5.
Thank you, Vishaka, for this in-depth market analysis. And now back to the headlines. DBS, Singapore's largest bank by market capitalization, said it has become the first Asian bank to use JPMorgan's blockchain-based fixed income trading network Onyx, joining international heavyweights including Goldman Sachs and BNP Paribas. The Onyx Digital Assets Network uses tokens for short-term trading in fixed income markets, enabling investors to lend assets for a period of hours without them leaving their balance sheets. Trades on the repurchase, also known as repo market, are for the most part backed by government bonds, making it a vital source of collateral for banks to fund their balance sheets. The aim of the Onyx network is to allow banks to settle such transactions in a matter of hours as opposed to the 1 or 2 working day period it has taken historically. Over $300 billion of intraday repo deals have been carried out on Onyx since JPMorgan launched it in 2020. New York Governor Kathy Hochul has signed a bill cracking down on crypto mining in the state. The bill imposes a 2-year moratorium on new permits for proof-of-work mining operations that rely on carbon-based fuel to power their activities. The New York Senate already approved the bill in June, but Hochul had until now held off from signing it in the face of fierce industry lobbying. The Bitcoin-friendly country El Salvador has taken a formal step forward, issuing the first sovereign blockchain bond in history. According to a Bloomberg report, the government of El Salvador has transmitted a 33-page legislation calling for a digital asset commission and a Bitcoin fund management agency to oversee crypto-related debt sales. The report remarked that the digital securities bill involves raising a $1 billion fund, of which $500 million would be for the Bitcoin City infrastructure and another $500 million to buy Bitcoin tokens. Notably, the bondholders would share in any appreciation in the Bitcoin asset. Interestingly, the minimum requirement investment would be $100 to fund the construction of a tax-free coastal Bitcoin city with geothermal energy from a nearby volcano for mining digital coins. A new report has shown that there has been double the amount of trademark applications for NFTs and Metaverse-related items in 2022 compared to the previous year. Such news is a stark contrast to fears of an ongoing crypto winter. The report from bitstacker.com illustrates that there were 6,290 trademark requests for NFTs sent to the USPTO between January and September 2022. This contrasts to just 2,179 trademark applications in 2021, which is an increase of 188.66%. Similarly, there have been over 4,600 requests for Metaverse trademarks in 2022 so far compared to just 1,798 in 2021, an increase of over 156%. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Magic Eden, a cross-chain non-fungible token marketplace, announced today that it plans to integrate the Polygon blockchain, allowing its market to collaborate more closely with gaming partners and creators who use the network. Magic Eden intends to first focus on providing tools for Polygon creators, such as a launchpad using Matic, Polygon's native crypto token, and a marketplace by the end of the year. The Polygon network now supports tens of thousands of decentralized blockchain applications, has processed 1.9 billion transactions, has over 174 million unique user addresses, and secures over $5 billion in assets. Polygon was trading at $0.8626, up 9% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 billion. Curve Finance's developers have released code and official documents for Curve's soon to be launched decentralized stablecoin called CRV-USD. While an official announcement from Curve has yet to be made, the repository published on the project's official GitHub account indicates that the project is on track to complete work on its crypto-backed stablecoin that is soft-pegged to the US dollar. According to Curve Finance founder Michael Igorov's white paper, CRV-USD will function similarly to MakerDAO's stablecoin DAI. It will be over-collateralized with crypto assets similar to DAI. CRV was trading at $0.6428, up by 45.66% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 billion. Satoshi Kusama, the pseudonymous lead developer behind the popular meme coin Shiba Inu, has announced that the World Economic Forum wants to collaborate on its global Metaverse policy with the popular cryptocurrency project. Kusama has launched a Twitter poll to determine whether the Shiba Inu community wants Shiba Inu to collaborate with the WEF. Nearly 5,000 votes had been cast, with the vast majority of followers in favor of such a collaboration. In a subsequent tweet, Kusama claims that Shiba Inu developers will be at the table with policymakers helping to shape global metaverse policy alongside tech giant Meta and decentralized crypto-native projects like Decentraland. SHIB was trading 8.37% up in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.